What is up, Fence fam? Joe Everest, the fence expert. Welcome to another hot take clip, a short clip of a recent live Q&A on my main YouTube channel. For more information on my main channel, as well as exactly the content this clip was pulled from, check out the description below. Chris says, I just started my company last year. Fantastic. Congratulations. My social media marketing is struggling. I know I should make live videos on the job. He's been listening. Do you have any other tips for marketing strategy? It starts there, Chris. It really does. For me, it does, right? So organic content is huge. So job site pictures, before and afters are really nice. You could shoot a before and after video even too. If even if you don't want to voice over, even if you don't want to be on camera, you could film a video of this project before, film it backwards after, marry those two together in a basic video editor, slap some royalty-free music on it. You've got a before and after video that does really well. So what you're really trying to do is have someone look at this and say, hey, that looks like my yard. And then the after they go, that could look like my yard if I call Chris's company. Right. So that's a big one. Who was it? Someone, I apologize, guys. I forgot who it was, but someone had videoed, was it Tim? I don't think it was, they had videoed their client testimonial. Right. So their client said, hey, I had XYZ fence out. They did a great job. Here was my problem. Here's how they solved it. I recommend you reach out to XYZ Fence. Video reviews, video recommendations, massive, absolute massive. And that's a key information, right? Here's a problem I was having. This is from the homeowner's perspective. Here's a problem I was having. Here's how this company solved it. Yes, I would recommend them again if you have a problem like this, right? Because, I mean, let's talk about it. So in the fencing industry, three things keep a fence company in business: kids, pets, and bad neighbors. Or we'll say neighbors. Kids, pets, or neighbors. Now, they can be your kids or pets, or they can be the neighbor's kids or pets. But kids and pets and neighbors are the reason fence companies are in business. So, the review could be something like, we just got a new puppy. The kids wanted this puppy forever. We just got a new puppy, but it's wintertime, and I don't want to take this dog out every single night. I needed a fence. XYZ Fence came in and built the fence, and now I can open the door and I can let the dog go out and do its business on these freezing nights. Thank you, XYZ Fence. I would refer them to anyone else. That sort of thing, right? So, or neighbor's got a dog, and that dog likes doing its business in my yard. However, I don't like it when that dog does its business in my yard. So I had XYZ Fence come out and build me a fence, and now the neighbor's dog does its business in someone else's